I love running barefoot in the grass. I always have. When I was little, I would run from my mother while she was trying to dress me. I would just run around in my diaper screaming, "I'm free, I'm free." I've always felt at home in nature. I love climbing those trees. I love fishing. Camping out is my favorite. Not in a tent though, right out in the open where you can see the stars. I have always trusted nature, even when Mother Nature gets pissed off. It's still amazing. The power of a thunderstorm or a tornado, earthquakes, tsunamis. It's frightening. The power. But it reminds me of my place in the world. I am a small speck. I think that's why I like nature. I almost feel part of it. Not Simon, but a literal part of the earth. But then this storm comes. This storm we've never seen before. It doesn't leave. I no longer felt safe in nature. I have the power to advance the storm, to make the storm bigger. My safe place was no longer safe. The last time I was outside was with my mom to go grocery shopping. It was scary. Tape marks of where to walk on the floor. People wearing masks, empty shelves. I don't understand. I thought it would just go away. Home from school for a couple weeks. Mom and Dad home from work for a few days. Too much bonding time with my siblings. But now, I couldn't stay inside any longer. I was driving myself crazy. I was driving my family crazy. So I finally decided that today was the day. Last week, when it snowed, I wanted to build a snowman. 2 days later, it was 50 and I wanted to jump in the lake. So I did. I decided today. I woke up with the sun coming through my bedroom window on my face. It was as if nature was telling me to get off my butt and do something. I took a slow step outside. It was warm in the sun, but the breeze was a little chilly. It took me a second to realize I was safe. How odd is that? To simply wonder if you're safe walking out of your house? Before long, I walked down to the river. I listened to the water. The birds were chirping. It was as I remember. This is my safe place. I am home. I'm free. I know the storm will be over soon. I'll get to see my friends, and I'll get to hug my grandma. I know I'll go back to school. This will all end. Me and my friend will jump in that lake together. I might do it now. Nope. Maybe later. The world is beautiful. I think I'd forgotten that. Just look around. Maybe I will camp out tonight. I'm free.